Good morning, students of class 7. Today we are going to revise our computer chapter 1, that is number system. Okay, so first thing comes on in our mind is what is number system. So we can going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, what is number system? We have to understand about this number system. So a number is a mathematical way to write numbers. Okay, a number system is a mathematical way to write a numbers. Okay, so we can say that mathematical way means any number like 123, 231, like that, all comes under the number system. These are written with the follow the rules and regulation of number system. Okay, so now next thing is decimal number system. What is decimal number system? Okay, the decimal number system consists of digits 0 to 9. Like in general we are using that kind of number is called the decimal number system. These 10 digits can be used in combination of any numbers. Okay, like some examples are given. Okay, 608, 1711, like that. These all are decimal number system. Okay, going to next page, what has been given. Some numbers are given here. Okay, you have to read all one line by line by yourself. If anything, any problem in this, any confusion in this, you can ask me. Okay, so first number is, what is the number? We have just given one number, that is we have to find the number, that is 231. So in unit place 1 has given, so 1 into 10 to the power 0 is 1 into 1, and the final value is 1. Then tens place, that is 3, so we have to multiply 3 into 10 to the power 1. The calculation is 3 into 10, then after the final value is 30. The 100th place 2 has given, then power of base is 2 into 2 to the power 10 to the power square, that is 10 to the power 2, and then after calculation is 2 into 100, and the final value is 200. So total value is 231. We can find it like that. Okay, then after some other point values has given, we have to discuss. In unit place 9 is given, then power of base is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, then final calculation 9 into 0.01, and the value is 0.09. Then 2 has given, 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, then 2 into 0.1, and 0.2 has given. So if anything is given out of after the decimal point, okay, so we can use the power in the minus. Okay, like that, and then after same process is given, ones place, tenth place, and 100th place, we have to follow it. Okay, now what is binary number system? So we have to study what is the binary number system. The binary number system has only two numbers, that is either 0 or 1. Some examples of binary number is 11101, 101111, 1010, etc. The binary number is also called the base 2 number system, for because the computer understand. Okay, this binary number system used in computer only. So computer is a digital thing. It only accepts 0 and 1. Okay, so we are going to use this binary system in computer system only. Okay, that also one thing is there. The number 1 means on, and then number 0 is off, like that given here. Okay, number 0 is off. Okay, that is the last line. You have to understand this. Okay, I have pointed out that line. The number 1 means on, and number 0 is off. Okay, then after some checkpoints have given, you have to solve it. If any confusion are there, you have to ask it. Then conversion of decimal number to binary numbers. Okay, so these conversions in this book, some complex method has given. I can give you a simple and short method. We have to understand it. I just create one video on that. Okay, so you have to understand all the things. Then after checkpoint has given. What is in checkpoint? We have to understand it. A number system is a mathematical way to write a numbers. The decimal number system consists of 0 to 9, okay, and the binary number system has only two numbers, they are 0 and 1. Okay, these are important points you have to understand in this chapter. Hope you all have understand this chapter. If any query and confusion in this chapter, you can ask me. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you. Of class 7, today we are going to discuss about conversion of binary to decimal number and decimal to binary number. Okay, first we will going to discuss about the conversion of decimal to binary numbers. How can we able to convert a decimal number into binary number? Okay, then after we will going to check these numbers are correctly converted or not. Then after we can do binary to decimal number. Okay, in the both things we are going to check each other. It will be converted to decimal or binary correctly or not. We can check it in between. Okay, so we can take 32. One number is 32 divided by 2, then after 0, then after 2 16, and then 0, again by 2 8, and this side 0, again 2 4, then again 0. Nothing if it is totally divisible, so we can write here 0. Okay, then after 2 again 2, and then 0, and 2 1 2, like that 2. Okay, so here you can see it correctly. Okay, we can. So here the number is written as in that direction. Okay, so here it is written as like that 1 and 5 0. Okay, that is a binary number. We can check it. Now after that we have to check is it correct or not. So we are doing like that. We have to check it. Then after we can say that is the number. So first you can we can use it multiplication method. 0 into 2 to the power 0 0, 0 into 2 to the power 1 is 0, 0 into 2 to the power 2 is 0, 0 into 2 to the power 3 is 0, and 0 into 2 to the power 0 is 0. So we can multiply anything with 0 is its result is 0 only. Okay, then after lastly last number is 1, so we can multiply it by 2 to the power 5, that result is 32. So this conversion is correct because the output has come. We can take the input is input as 32, and we can got output as 32. So by this we can easily understand both the things, conversion of decimal and decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So hope you all are understand these things. You have to convert some numbers. If you have any problems, ask me. Okay, thank you.